Hello, you want to see how I achieve this egusi soup without palm oil? Watch this video so you don't miss out. Here is my goat meat. I added my diced onion, salt, one seasoning cube, crayfish, nutmeg, curry powder, white pepper. I'll cover and simmer for 10 minutes. I'll add water and cook it for 30 minutes. Here is 30 minutes. I'll add my cow skin. I'll add my stockfish that I soaked overnight. I'll cover and cook it again for another 10 minutes. I'll add the blended egusi, the bitter leaf, and I'll give it a good mix. For those of you always returning to watch me, I really appreciate your love and support. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload you will be notified. Feel free to check my channel out, share this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for coming. So I added water after I have done a good mix. I gave it a good mix again, and I will cover and cook it again for another 10 minutes. This is after 10 minutes. I added the remaining of my crayfish. I gave it a good mix. I'll cover and cook it again for another 5 minutes. So this is it. This is the outcome of our soup. Try this recipe and you will be glad you did. So this is what I paired it with. It came out tasty, yummy. Thank you for watching.